Hi, it's Cassie with Imagine. Today we're going to make a really quick and simple Christmas card. It could also be used for maybe New Year's or birthdays or whatever if you change the sentiment around. We're starting with a 3D embossed piece of white paper, and I am going to use two different colors of VersaColor. The pink, that brighter pink, is called Opera Pink, and it's super gorgeous. I'm using it with a large sponge dauber, and then the darker purple color is boysenberry, and I'm just going over the edges of that purple, of the cardstock with the purple boysenberry, and I'm not too worried about it blending quite yet with that pink. I just want to get good full coverage around the whole border of that paper. And then I come back with the pink, and it's really best if you use a piece of paper over it, because you can see I was getting some fingerprints in that paint, or not the paint, the ink, because the ink was so saturated on there. But anyway, I went back over with the opera pink over that purple, and it kind of blended it nicely into the edges. So then I'm using a new sponge dauber, and I've got some Delicata champagne, and I was using it just over those raised edges, and then I just kind of swiped over it to give it a little extra color there. I am using StazOn pigment in the piano black over the vellum because it's going to stick perfectly and it's not going to smudge, and it dries really fast. And so vellum can be kind of tricky to stamp on sometimes. StazOn pigment works great, and it comes in tons of colors, so that's a good choice. And then I'm using the tear it tape here just to sort of build my card and get it all put together. I have some really pretty gold cardstock that I've matted that on, and then I use the Xyron sticker maker just because the vellum, sometimes you can see that adhesive through there, and that just gives you full even coverage all the way. So then, of course, I have to add a little bit of shimmer at the end. I covered that Marion Bright up so it wouldn't get warped from the shimmer spritz. And then I'm using some iridescent confetti, and I have circles and stars. And so I'm just using my on-point glue, which works perfectly. It's got a needle tip point. It's perfect for adding sequins or confetti or anything like that. Put that needle tip back into the thing so it doesn't clog, and you're good to go. And look at how pretty when you turn it just right. You can see all of the confetti and the stars. This card was great and super fun and easy to do. You could make a bunch of them, if you're making a bunch of Christmas cards or New Year's Eve cards. Really great, fun to do, and that VersaColor ink really makes it pop. I hope you found some inspiration today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.